Did you know that bacon actually contains more protein than carbohydrates? Let's dive into whether the savory favorite is actually good for you. Bacon's undeniably popular. It's a staple in many breakfast plates and a favorite among foodies. Most of us view it as an unhealthy indulgence, something we enjoy but try not to think about too much. Bacon is primarily made from pork belly, which is rich in fat. This fat is a mix of saturated and unsaturated fats. When it comes to protein, bacon does contain a decent amount, especially when compared to its carb content. It's also a source of various micronutrients like B vitamins, particularly B12, and minerals such as selenium and zinc. However, bacon often includes additives like nitrates and nitrites, which are used for preservation and to enhance flavor. These additives have raised health concerns. Some studies suggest that consuming processed meats like bacon, which contain nitrates and nitrites, may be linked to increased risks of certain cancers and heart disease. The high sodium content in bacon is another concern, especially for those with high blood pressure. The high levels of saturated fat in bacon can impact cholesterol levels, potentially increasing the risk of heart disease. There's also the consideration of bacon as a processed meat, which has been classified by some health organizations as a carcinogen. Health experts and nutritionists often emphasize that while bacon does have some nutritional benefits, its drawbacks, particularly its high sodium and saturated fat content, mean it should be consumed in moderation. Many recommend looking for nitrate-free options or alternatives like turkey bacon. If you're a bacon lover, you don't have to cut it out completely. Moderation is key. Choosing nitrate-free options or cooking methods that don't char the bacon too much can also help. Pairing it with a balanced diet and not relying on it as a staple can make it a part of your meals without overdoing it. We'd love to hear your thoughts on bacon. Do you enjoy it in moderation or cut it out entirely? Let us know in the comments. If you're interested in more myth-busting food videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.